How to command respect as a quiet person. Loud folks frequently command all the focus during social interactions. Even in high school, the most popular students are sometimes the ones with the greatest number of friends. In both real life and the movies, quiet people are frequently portrayed as weak and nerdy. The majority of the time, they are the ones who are talked over, picked on, and disregarded. But here's the thing. There are advantages to being a quiet person. If you've watched interviews with Keanu Reeves, you know that being loud or outgoing doesn't matter in terms of earning respect. Stay with us to learn more about how to use this method, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for all of our newest videos. You may use your power to set yourself apart if you are aware of how much you have. In order to get respect, here are some things that even a quiet person can do. According to studies, those who are quiet are better at managing their own emotions, making them the most resilient people. People who get along with many people tend to react quickly. This is not a problem on its own. It's what sets them apart. They may meet new people and have fun with them right away, even if they have never met them before, since they are very receptive. However, due to their sensitivity, they may also lash out fast. It's simple to grab someone's attention when they are loud. However, if you tend to be quiet, you're already accustomed to being still and avoiding center stage. People who are quiet are adept at paying great attention to background noise. They are inherently tranquil, therefore it's challenging to persuade them to take any action. For instance, a quiet individual is more likely to automatically respond with silence to a coworker's rage. And since they are silent and composed, they are able to respond to someone trying to hurt them in a beautiful, frequently jaw-dropping way. This point will immediately make sense if you've seen any Keanu Reeves interviews. You could contend that he finds it difficult to take praise for his accomplishments. Keanu was asked in one interview how he manages to pull off all of the risky stunts he does in his movies. He was audacious enough to say that he doesn't partake in any of those things. Even the people who were accountable for it were named by him. Redirecting praise shows a lot of quiet courage, even though it may not seem like a rewarding or bold thing to do. If you choose to compliment someone else instead of yourself, that shows that you are a kind person. You've shown that you think helping others is important through your actions. Since it shows that you have a good opinion of yourself and hold yourself in high esteem, it will be clear to everyone that you are deserving of respect. Consider the manager who always acknowledges others when the business achieves success. That is the kind of boss you have the utmost loyalty and respect for. Another quality that makes quiet people superior to loud ones is their ability to remain calm and silent. But remaining silent and composed is insufficient. The truth is that being timid, composed, or quiet is never an issue. Most people prefer calm individuals. Your body language when you are quiet and calm is important. No one will respect you if you are quiet and composed but appear frightened, with your shoulders rounded and taking up as little room as possible. By displaying a degree of calm strength and suitable body language, you can win people's respect. Without saying a single word, one of the simplest ways to earn someone's respect is just by the way you look at them. According to an old proverb, one may detect a person's soul strength by gazing into their eyes. Because of this, avoiding eye contact in a social context is frequently a big turnoff. It has a profound effect on how other people see you. There are so many horrible things that can and will happen when you try to save someone else's suffering. What does he have to hide, are people forced to wonder? He's so weak, she'll think to herself. It's possible for a man to think, she doesn't like me, or she's afraid or bashful. This line of thinking is rational. Regardless of your perspective, the way you use your eyes greatly influences how others perceive you in public. You don't even need to speak to do it well. It sends the message that you have nothing to hide and nothing to be frightened of when you make direct eye contact with someone. Since you are speaking to them personally, they have no choice but to pay attention to what you have to say and respect you. It is a verbal substitute for communication. They are able to sense how strong your soul is when you look them in the eye. Because of this, it is normally difficult for a person to look you in the eyes when they are lying to you. All you need to do to grab people's attention in a meeting if you are a loud person is raise your voice. One skill in grabbing other people's attention has little to do with their capacity to command respect from others. Even if someone notices you, it doesn't necessarily mean they will respect you. Respect comes from how you conduct yourself. If you maintain a low profile and don't speak up frequently, people will respect and like you more. We sincerely hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, like our video on YouTube, and subscribe to receive updates on our new content.